How to delete Valorant on PS5. So, if you've got Valorant installed on your PlayStation 5 console, this is how you're going to remove it to free up space in your storage. So, first of all, you want to go to the home screen of your PlayStation 5 just by pressing the PlayStation logo in the middle of your controller, then getting to this point here. Once you're here, you want to either press your left stick up or your D-pad up to then just move into like the top part of the screen on your PlayStation. Then scroll it along to the right until you see the settings section there. Then click on settings, pressing X. Scroll down in this section here until you see storage. Then go to games and apps. And in the games and apps section, you just want to scroll down until you see Valorant. Then you want to make sure it's ticked just by pressing X and then click delete on the bottom right hand corner there. Once you've done that, it should take a few seconds and then it will permanently delete from the console after you click OK here. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.